Hi there. I'm Mary Ellen and this is my YouTube channel Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow. Here you can find over 1,000 DIY crafts, recipes, garden tips, family-friendly fun and travel, and cat shorts of my cats Cutton, Lucifer and Typo. Around here we ditch perfection and embrace the mess, because in life's messes we learn and grow. Most of my videos come with a side of spills, burnt fingers from the glue gun, and an occasional cat walking through the shot. Together we're always celebrating something, whether it's a holiday or just the fact that I got through a craft without glitter in my coffee. From festive DIY decor to seasonal treats, there's always a reason to break out the hot glue gun and have a little fun. And if you've got an instant pot or air fryer gathering dust, I'll help you to enjoy using them. I bring all of this to you with a light-hearted learn-as-you-go approach. So if you're into creative chaos, cozy vibes, and learning right alongside me, hit that subscribe button and let's make some messy memories together. Today we're making the cutest little yarn ghost picture frames. A simple Halloween craft that's fun, festive, and easy to customize. All you need is a picture frame, some yarn, and a little creativity. It's a great way to add some handmade charm to your Halloween decor, and you can switch things up with different paper, frame sizes, or ghost shapes to make it your own. Let's jump in and get spooky-crafty. The supplies you need are picture frame, any size you like, 5x7 or 8x10 work well. Scrapbook paper, patterned or solid, polka dots, stripes, or Halloween prints work great. Mod Podge or craft glue, thick white yarn or thin white rope. Mini pom-poms, black or dark color for ghost eyes. Jute twine or thin ribbon for ghost bow. Scissors, hot glue gun and glue sticks. Prepare the frame. Remove the backing and glass from your picture frame. Cut your scrapbook paper to fit the size of the frame backing. Use Mod Podge or craft glue to adhere the paper to the backing. Let it dry completely before moving on. Cut the yarn. Cut several pieces of white yarn or rope into 6-inch lengths. You'll need about 10 to 15 pieces depending on how full you want your ghost. Make the ghost's head. Take one piece of yarn, fold it in half, and glue the folded end to the scrapbook paper to form the top of the ghost's head. This piece acts as an anchor and helps shape the top of the ghost. Build the ghost's body. Take the rest of your yarn pieces and arrange them in a U shape under the head, filling in the body. Glue each piece at the top so the ends hang freely, creating that classic ghostly drape. Adjust and layer as needed to make the ghost full and flowing. Add the face and bow. Glue 2 mini pom-poms onto the yarn for eyes. Tie a tiny bow using jute twine or ribbon, and glue it near the top of the ghost's body, under the face or to the side for a cute touch. Assemble the frame. Once everything is dry and secure, place your decorated backing back into the frame. Leave the glass out so the yarn has room to breathe and gives a 3D effect. Display ideas. Stand it on a shelf, desk, or mantle. Hang it on the wall with a small nail or command hook. Use as part of a Halloween centerpiece or tiered tray display. Make as a handmade gift or party favor. And just like that, you've got an adorable little yarn ghost ready to haunt your house this Halloween, in the cutest way possible. Whether you make one or a whole gallery of ghosts, they're sure to bring some handmade Halloween magic to your home. Thank you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you liked this video with a thumbs up or down, and if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes we learn and grow, so get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.